So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Waqas and you're watching Waqas Tech. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Snapchat shortcut not showing on Snapchat. So without wasting any time, let's start a video. Lot of Snapchat user reported that. So let's start video. Firstly, you need to open your Snapchat. Okay, now take any picture. You can see a person screen. Tap on send. Okay, you can see a person screen. I have 4 shortcut list right now. You just tap on plus icon as you can see showing here top plus. Okay, firstly you need to add people in that shortcut that you want to create or that not showing. Now tap on here and add any emoji. Tap on create group, tap on send. Okay, you can see a person screen shortcut created and your snap sent to that person that you add in that shortcut. So friends, by doing that you can easily fix that your Snapchat shortcuts not showing on Snapchat, or how to create Snapchat shortcut. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching this.